Hello folks, welcome back to our channel. In this video we will be learning about VMware versus OpenShift virtualization, right? So here we are going to see about how the VMware have platform and comparison with our OpenShift virtualization platform. Here we have a small introduction about our virtualization platform, right? So when I coming to the virtualization, it will be giving a backbone for our modern IT infrastructure, right? It will be giving some more hardware utilization for your organization level or in the data center level. So we are going to focus on uh, we have the comparison between our OpenShift virtualization and our VMware normal virtualization. So we are coming to VMware virtualization is a traditional hypervisor. So based on the type 1 hypervisor, we are creating the VMs. On the top of that, we are managing the applications. But when you coming to the OpenShift, so here we have a Kubernetes native virtualization. So we are running on the kube world, right? So that's the thing. And if I start with the particular virtualization with the VMware level, so here when I coming to this, it will be industry leader for the technology level, but it will be mainly for the uh, data centers. So the architecture, it's mainly for the ESXi with bare metallic hypervisor. On the top of the hypervisor only, we are running with multiple VMs, right? We have a dedicated operating systems required here, right? And maximum number of resources are required here, right? And when you coming here, the security is very high when you coming to the ESXi hypervisor, right? So it's an enterprise level we are managing with the VMware level. Okay, so if I coming to the OpenShift, so OpenShift, like, it will be based on the Kubernetes. It's a foundation with the Kubernetes. We are built on top of Kubernetes technology, right? We are enabling the VMs and we are running with the containers on the top of the Kubernetes cluster level. So it will be very much helpful for our hybrid workloads. Okay, so we are running our workloads on the traditional level also, means our data center level, and also we are running with our cloud native applications level also, right? It will be modernized your operations, right? So it will be giving the leverage on the infrastructure level, right? And also it will be giving some automated deployment and scaling for your environment level. Okay, so when you compare to the VMware, so OpenShift will be giving so many liberations, so you can have very much interesting to go with this OpenShift virtualization. So we can discuss remaining things in the upcoming videos, but I want to be concluded these things, like we have a comparison, mainly that comparison between my VMware and OpenShift level. So right, so when you coming to the architecture level, so VMware, it's a based on the hypervisor level, so bare metallic. On that server level we are going to manage. So to manage here we need a vCenter here. But coming to the OpenShift, so OpenShift is a native with a container platform, so it will be giving some orchestration, right? And use cases, mainly VMware will be used in my on-premises environment. It's going with some traditional workloads to manage my VM level. But when you go to the OpenShift, so it will be going with some hybrid level, means it will be both. You can manage in the hybrid level, means cloud level also, or you can go with the or normal enterprise level also, right? And for management, when you go with the management, so here we need a centralized management for my ESXi host. Here we are using vCenter. It's a vCenter is a tool to manage my all the ESXi host managed in my environment level, right? So the main tool you are using vCenter. And when you go with the OpenShift is a platform where you can manage your containers and VMs and the services also. Here also we have a platform. OpenShift also have a platform where you can manage your containers, VMs, and all the services also you can manage here, right? So these are the some of the things we have strategic comparison between my VMware and my OpenShift. Okay. And finally we are going to see that, which is the best choice, making the strategic choice. So whether you are going with the VMware level or OpenShift level, right? So when you go with the VMware, like, yes, it's enterprise level, it giving more security, right? And but if you go with the VMware level, like it will having the cost, right? It will be high cost, right? And then you will nowadays Broadcom is acquired with the VMware, so nowadays we are not getting much support on the product level also. So now the people now try to migrate their platform to the different platforms. So the major platform here we are going with the OpenShift only, right? So people will be future, they will be try to migrate their workloads from VMware to OpenShift environment, right? They want to be manage their workloads in the OpenShift on the based on our Kubernetes environment. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. So stay tuned with us, so you can see in the next video for new updates with the VMware and OpenShift things and all. Thank you very much.